Want to know how to edit your open source settings in Snyk? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. First things first, just simply open up your snyk.io application or the website. So we have also created similar videos regarding Snyk, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, you should be under this interface right here. And now what you need to do is you need to just simply open up your menu. It should be on the left side. You can just simply hover on it to extend that. And here you can see settings right here. It should be red blue members. Just simply select. So now once you have selected settings, you should be seeing your settings popping up. And under products and features, you can see Snyk open source. Just simply select it. And now once you have selected Snyk open source, here you should be seeing your languages that you can just simply edit your open sources from. So let's say I can just simply hit towards Java, select edit settings, and then the settings should pop up. I can just simply enable or disable its npm settings, your yarn settings, pnpm settings, and then just simply select update. So I can just simply scan and fix dependencies. I can simply enable it to do this and then select update settings on each office right here, and it should work for you and update it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.